If you're going to be in England and you want to visit Stonehenge, it's actually pretty straightforward. If you have a car or you have somebody who can take you to Stonehenge, you can book those tickets directly on the English Heritage website. If not, it's okay, don't worry. You can go from, say, London, and there are so many tours out there. And so trying to find a tour that suits your needs might be a daunting task, but you can do that on Viator, and I'll show you exactly how you can book those tours from London to go visit Stonehenge. That way you don't have to drive on the opposite side of the road to what you're used to, so don't worry about that. So if you are able to get to Stonehenge on your own, it's very easy to pre-book those tickets on English Heritage's website. And to do that, we're going to go to the official link, which I've put in the description below. And so where it says find places to visit, you just start typing in Stonehenge, click on it, and it's going to take you to a page that basically shows you everything that's near Stonehenge. So like I said, if you have a car, definitely explore the area. These places are amazing. I've been to these and they're a lot of fun. Definitely go visit them if you can. So to visit Stonehenge, just go ahead and click on this lovely picture here. It's going to show you where it is, the opening times, that sort of thing. Go ahead and click on book online and save. So it's going to load with the dates available. I'm just going to pick a random date for the purposes of this tutorial. It's going to show you all the times and the availability. Again, I'm just going to pick a random time here. And it's going to ask me, do I have any offer codes? Do I have a membership number to English Heritage? I do, but I'm not going to put it in here for the purposes of this demonstration. So here we have all the different admission prices, all the different types of tickets. You can have a look through here, pick which one suits your needs. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click continue. So once you have selected how many tickets you need and which ticket types, it's going to show up on this left-hand side what your selection is. Once you're happy with that, double check the timing and the date. And then once you're ready, click checkout. So here it's going to take you to a page to ask you, do you want some add-ons? Do you want a Stonehenge book? They have it in various languages. You just keep on scrolling unless you do want to add one. Here we have some other options you can do in the area that you can add on. Here's some more. You keep on scrolling, and if you don't want to add anything, that's fine. You probably can find it in the gift shop. Don't worry, the gift shop is well stocked. Once you're ready, click continue. So here it's going to give you the options on how to receive your ticket and also how to pay. So here it shows it's an e-ticket, it's free to deliver. Basically, you can bring a printed copy, you can show it on your phone, either or. It doesn't appear that they're doing postal tickets anymore, but so basically you just have to bring an e-ticket with you. Here it's going to show the payment methods, and then you click continue. And it's going to take you to this page where if you're a returning customer, you can sign in for a faster checkout, and you can fill in your details here. If you want to make an account, that's fine. You can manage your booking or any other bookings to English Heritage, or even membership if you do want to get it. You can manage it that way. So once you have filled in all these details, it's going to ask you for a payment, and then you read through here. And once you are ready to click through all that, you click on buy tickets. And when that happens, you're going to receive an instant confirmation with your tickets. The second option for getting your Stonehenge tickets, like I mentioned earlier, was through Viator. Viator is a booking platform, and so they are going to be handling your reservation and payment. And so when you do book through Viator, you are actually booking through a local company. So they are going to be the ones making the ground arrangements, not Viator. What I do like about Viator is they've got a great user interface. I had a lot of bad luck with cancellations during the pandemic, and they were wonderful in refunding and canceling my bookings. So here we have some options that are available on Viator. You can see here a lot of these tours, it's a little expensive, but they do include some other options like a trip to Windsor Castle, Bath. Bath is a fantastic city. I love it, especially if you're going to be there for Christmas. They have a fantastic Christmas market. You can see here a couple of other options. A lot of them do include Windsor Castle. Oxford, that's another great city to go to. Other options with Bath as well. So you can have a look through here and you can pick which one ever works for you. So if you just picked just a random one here, it will take you to a page where you can select the date, how many adults, you can check availability, pick a random day, you can select how many people are going, apply. It's going to then give you the options. You can see here, it tells you right where your starting point is going to be and at what time. And you can reserve now and pay later if you want, or you can book now. When you go to the book now page, you just basically complete all of your details. And once you do pay, you will get basically your e-ticket. And you can save that in your Apple Wallet or Google Pay, whichever. You see here on the right-hand side, I have a Rakuten cashback. That's another perk with Viator I have found, is that a lot of credit cards do offer cashback for Viator. If you have a credit card that does not offer Forex fees basically being waived, then Viator is a great option because you can pay in your preferred currency and not have to worry about those currency exchanges. So really, that's it. It's that easy.